Hey guys, thanks for stopping by the channel today. I wanted to throw out a quick rant video real quick. So over the past maybe week and a half, 2 weeks, Twitch has changed some of their backend stuff to kind of coincide with their new UI release. You know, the new dark mode, light mode, rebranding and all that. Well, behind the scenes, they've also changed how they actually count views for your streams. So let's dive into that really quick. So the biggest thing they've changed is they have disabled, or something has broken, the use of embedded Twitch players. Meaning, if you're going to be using tools like multi-stream, lurk team, lurker.tv, or any of those other types of multi-viewed screens, Twitch has disabled the view. So if you're trying to watch a couple people while you're doing your stream, you're not able to have that view be counted towards their stream, which it makes sense because you don't want people abusing the system, but at the same time, I like to do collaborative things. I like to share my stream with others so that they can, make their own production. So it's a really bad thing, especially for people that like to stream with other people and allow their viewers to see what's going on. Second thing they've done, and not a lot of people have been talking about this, is no longer can you get 2 views per a single IP. They have limited it to 1. So if you live in a house that has multiple people that are watching streams or wanting to watch the same streamer, that second view doesn't count. Let's say you want to watch Dr. Disrespect. Everybody loves the guy. He's really funny and has really good content. But if you have 2 people from the same IP trying to talk and watch that one video, Dr. Disrespect's only going to get the 1 view. Again, I can see what they're trying to do. They're trying to limit the amount of abuse and stuff that's coming from people that are trying to, add views to their account. But at the same time, you're also hamstringing legitimate people trying to watch your content. So, that's another thing that Twitch changed. And this is more of a fringe case kind of thing. But those that are super duper, not nervous, but are conservative in their internet privacy, this might not be new, but they're blocking a lot of different VPNs from actually counting towards your view count. I use private internet access around to, hop onto the Starbucks Wi-Fi. There's a couple other Wi-Fi spots that I go. Sometimes I just leave my VPN on for long stretches of time. Well, if you're on a VPN that Twitch is marked as, quote, malicious, they're not going to count your view anymore. So I just wanted to throw this video out there really quick. Hopefully you guys are seeing the same things. Let me know and share this video around the web. I really want Twitch to be open and clear on how they're going to be counting people's views and how they're going forward, because I don't want to be them changing the goalpost on me. I'm trying to get a community going. I'm trying to support my fellow community. But if they're going to keep changing the rules, it's going to be hard to stick with their platform. So that's just a short video really quick. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more YouTube content. And again, I want to hear what you guys are seeing. Are y'all seeing the same results as I'm seeing? Are y'all seeing something different? Let me know down in the comments. So thank you guys. Hope y'all have a great Saturday. I'll see you on the stream tonight. Take care.